When are you going to start filming?
You do it before you...
Let him just film while we're talking. Let's just get on with it.
2021 model year Defender 110s. They're all P300s, the best engine. And what we've done here is something a little bit different. We've kept them all Land Rover colours, nice colours. We've got Tasman blue, we've got Hakuba silver, and we've got Pangea green. They're all slightly different. They've all got different colour coding. They've all got different accessories, interiors. But essentially, this is our wide body offering at the moment. What does that include? So we'll look at this one. At the front, the landmark kit, grille mask, 3-piece bumper valance, and the bumper vents. These have been blacked. That's remained body colour. Round the side, you've got the 4 wide body wings. We've got matte black side vents with Chelsea Truck Company branding. All these cars have got Type 57 wheels. These are our very contemporary 22-inch satin black RS forged wheels. They look really, really cool. And as we go around the back, they all feature Chelsea Truck Company hard spare wheel covers. This one's got mirror lettering, this one's got coconut lettering, and that one has no lettering. This car also features a Land Rover roof rack. It's got side steps, it's got an electric tow bar, and it's also got a side ladder. Inside the Pangea green, we have got a black with burnt orange pipe 3D modular interior. Very, very nice. Pops with the green very well. In the silver car, we have got a volcanic blue Designo design, quilted and perforated interior. Again, really nice contrast with the silver exterior. And in the Tasman blue car, we've just gone for a fully black 3D modular perforated leather interior. All with Chelsea Truck Company branding. All very, very nice. That one's got a white roof as well, worth mentioning. So yeah, there we have it. The 3 latest wide bodies. Check them out.
Should we start this?
What, right now?
Let's do it now. Let's get it out of the way.
So while we've just shown you the wide bodies, we'll show you this as well, shall we?
This is our latest 001 project. It's a one-off car. It's only a prototype. This is definitely going to come up for sale anytime this week. It's been inspired off the, Doug will tell you.
Hasn't been inspired off anything, remember?
Oh, it hasn't, there's no inspiration.
It's been inspired from you, from your little head.
No, it has been inspired from something, but it's not available in 2 doors. So what we've done is we've done this for actually a customer, but this one is just a prototype. The next we build will be the customer's car because he wants a different colour. And
it will look very different.
It will look very different.
Ready?
So Doug, give it some boy. Ah, shit. Just give me a second, let me have a quick look. I thought you did this.
You put it in the wrong place. You fucking idiot.
That's why I don't like using these damn things, mate.
Happy?
Don't show that bit, mate, it's bad.